Now we are back. One thing I was teaching was the transformation. Let me clean this one. We did the transformation, which was automatic recode, in order to change from string to numeric. And I said we were doing that because if you don't do it that way, we cannot perform regression analysis, correlation analysis, the descriptive statistics analysis, all other analysis we cannot perform except frequencies and percentages. And that is not what we need. So the top ones here, the string, is what we are going to use to do the frequency and the percentages, as I showed you in the published article. So after you have gotten it that way, these were the individual questions and the organizational culture. So we have gotten 5. They were 5. We are going to combine all of them into one before we can use them for regression and correlation. Very, very important. Some people perform regression analysis with so many variables. We don't understand. But the better way to do it is to combine all of them into one so that you will see the impact of one on the other. You see, our research is about impact of this on this. So if you combine them together as one, we use them to do the work. And that is what we are going to do as transform. We are going to combine all of them to get at least, there are how many variables? 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. This work contains moderator, mediator. So that is why it's very, very important. So let me do the combination. In that case, come to transform, go to compute variable. Then this is what I was doing. Let me clean here for you to know what I was doing. And I said the OC1 to OC5, you can name it OC. When you come to this numeric expression, come to this box, scroll down to where you see statistical. Click on it. When you see statistical, we want mean from that area. So when I click on it, the mean has shown. So I'll come and choose mean. Some people like using the median, but Pagina TV will tell the professional way is the mean. So double click on it, it will show up here. The place you see question marks, is where you are going to type the individual question item. We call a question item under organizational culture. So you can click on this one, take it there to replace the question mark. Then to replace this question mark, you can also highlight it. Click on the second one to replace it. I said bring comma. If you like, you type it yourself. OC. The small letters will not help. So capital letter because it was capital letter. OC3, comma. OC4, comma. OC5. Then you come and click on OK. This thing I told you to always come. Let me minimize that one input. Now you see it has created another line down here for you. It means that all the 5 questions has been combined into one for the purpose of regression and correlation analysis, mediation and moderation analysis. You must combine them. We call it transform. Then we go to transform again. Compute variable. I'm doing several for you to see. T1. So TI, that's technological innovation. In that case, when I come to this, I'm not going to do what I did again. I'll only clean inside. The mean is already, so I'll only clean inside, right? TI1, comma, TI2, comma, TI3, comma, TI4, comma, TI5. You are done. Click on OK. It will also show minimize. You scroll down and you see that one too has combined and it has shown here. We are doing the transform. See, I told you this is the only batch I've been doing all these things from A to Z. If not, I don't know why I'm doing it for you people. So you come to EE. I only do one and I'll say go and watch the video. But in this one, I'm doing it. EE1. You people have charmed me. EE2, comma, EE3, comma, EE4, comma, EE5. Because I have the information there already. The one that I've already formatted. So I click on OK again, and that line will also create. Let's go to transform again, minimize and go to transform. Compete. We are going to do the last one, which was SE. Good. So I'll make it SE. Then I'll come and clean inside. If I like, I'll clean all the EE, the first E. It will pick it. I also click on OK on this. So I've gotten all the 4 done. I can now close this and I will not save. Now you see, all of them have been combined here, and that is what we are going to use to do the regression and correlation analysis. That is how we transform variables to perform correlation and regression analysis. Now that we have been able to do those many automatic transformation and the main transformation for the regression analysis, I'm going to